In this video you will see a detailed unboxing of Omega Seamaster Diver 300M 42mm. We'll start by opening the box and then show the smallest details. If you are considering purchasing this product, please watch this video until the end. We think these are the most detailed and clean 4K unboxing videos you've ever seen. In the spirit of ocean exploration, Omega has seamlessly blended heritage and cutting-edge technology in the modern collection of the Seamaster Professional Diver 300M. This 42mm masterpiece is a harmonious fusion of stainless steel and opulent 18K yellow gold, a pairing that not only exudes sophistication but also speaks to the watch's robustness and enduring appeal. The captivating blue ceramic bezel, adorned with a Ceragold diving scale, captures the essence of the deep sea, setting the stage for a timepiece that is as aesthetically pleasing as it is technically advanced. The dial, crafted from polished blue ceramic, is a canvas for artistry and precision. Laser-engraved waves lend a touch of dynamism, creating a visual symphony that echoes the ebb and flow of the ocean. The addition of a date window at 6 o'clock enhances the practicality of this horological masterpiece, ensuring it's not just a symbol of luxury but a reliable companion in everyday life. As your eyes traverse the dial, you'll be captivated by the skeleton hands and raised indexes, crafted from 18K yellow gold and filled with luminescent white superluminova. This not only ensures easy readability in low-light conditions but also adds a touch of opulence to the watch's overall aesthetics. The helium escape valve, designed with a conical flare, is not just a technical marvel but a distinctive element that elevates the watch's visual allure. Securely cradled on your wrist is a blue rubber strap, seamlessly marrying comfort with sporty elegance. The pin buckle, a masterpiece of stainless steel craftsmanship, provides not only a secure fit but also a stylish closure that complements the overall design. The watch is powered by the Omega Master Chronometer Caliber 8800, a self-winding movement equipped with a coaxial escapement. This certified master chronometer, approved by Metas, is resistant to magnetic fields up to an impressive 15,000 Gauss, a testament to its reliability and precision. Peering through the sapphire crystal on the wave-edged caseback, you'll catch a glimpse of the intricate dance of the Omega Master chronometer caliber 8800. The rhodium-plated finish with Geneva waves in arabesque is not just an engineering feat but a visual testament to the meticulous craftsmanship that defines Omega's legacy. Designed to withstand the rigors of both land and sea, the Omega Seamaster boasts a water resistance of 30 bar, 300 meters/1000 feet. The unidirectional rotating bezel, transparent caseback, and screw-in crown are not just functional elements but symbols of the watch's prowess in the underwater realm. In summary, the Omega Seamaster is a celebration of elegance, innovation, and precision. From the harmonious blend of materials to the intricate details of the movement, every facet of this watch resonates with the spirit of exploration and luxury. Elevate your wristwear experience with a timepiece that not only tells time but narrates a story of adventure, style, and enduring craftsmanship. The Omega Seamaster, where tradition meets the avant-garde in perfect harmony, inviting you to partake in the legacy of exceptional timekeeping. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.